Looking at Matthew 17, verses 20 and 21. And Jesus said unto them, because of your unbelief. For verily I say unto you, if ye have faith as a grain of mustard seed, ye shall say unto this mountain, remove hence to yonder place, and it shall remove. And nothing shall be impossible unto you. And paying extra attention to verse 21, howbeit this kind goeth not out, but by prayer and fasting. There's some controversy with Matthew 17:21, as many of the modern Bibles have left this verse out. Some are questioning whether that verse should have been included in Matthew